Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the camera modes on Samsung Galaxy S20 Exynos. So first open the camera app, and the first one we have the normal photo. Right here you can change the zoom, and here we have a couple of options, for example a flash, non-flash, auto flash and the flash. Here we have the timer before the photo. Here we have the resolution. We have right here the night shoot on and off, and the retouch or the filter right here. Then we have the portrait mode. It is pretty much with the same options, but also you have a blur right here. Then we have the pro mode, that it is right here, and here you can change nearly every option yourself. So we have the ISO, the speed, the exposure, the focus. You can change from center to multi and the manual, and we have the white balance. Also right here we have the metering, and also you have, for example, a night photo. Remember that in night photo you probably will need a tripod or to keep your hands really steady while taking a photo, because it takes nearly 20 seconds to take a photo. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.